Today I am going to talk about a very dear topic to everyone's heart, which is mind-body coordination. And we know a lot of our diseases are actually originate in the brain and then affect your body. So there are a lot of reason why our blood pressure goes up, why sugar is not under control, why heart disease happen, is because there is a mind which is playing and affecting our body, which is called as mind-body coordination. There is something called as sympathetic system and parasympathetic system, which is a balance like yin and yang, or maybe opposites, so that it balances every function of every organ inside our body. Over sympathetic function, which happens because of too much of stress, too much of hormones which secrete like catecholamines, which are actually stress hormones, they increase the sympathetic tone, and this balance of sympathetic and parasympathetic goes away. The sympathetic tone goes up, and then it creates more heart rate, it creates more activity in your intestines, so sometimes it can lead to acid peptic disease or diarrhea, and lot of other functions in the body get affected with more heart rate. So this is not good. We need to control these two things. How to check this? We always say, okay, I have lot of stress, but how should we check? We have at SKDC center, we check this mind-body coordination with a simple machine, which is has a very complicated software inside, and it gives about 12 pages of report, which exactly tells us how much is your hormones or stress hormones are affecting your sympathetic system. It also talks and checks about your all chakras, and it as an additional report to all your medical problems. If a doctor knows how much is your stress hormones are working, it's easier to treat a person. And so if we integrate this into our kind of a treatment, it helps. So it is a holistic approach which we do at SKDC Diabetes Center, where we also check mind-body coordination for a lot of our people who come with their problems related to diabetes to us. Thank you.